a mouse hopped onto the train and guided the motorman, Rajaram Khade, to an extraordinary location nestled in the hills of Matheran. At the spot where the mouse had jumped off, he stumbled upon a colossal stone structure imbued with a divine aura. Inspired by this discovery, he transformed it into a magnificent statue of Lord Ganesha, which has since become renowned as Kadyavarcha Ganapati. Standing tall at the hill's edge, this statue captivates visitors and locals alike.